In a recent turn of events, Bulawayo Mayor Councillor David Coltart has found himself in the midst of a heated debate. The controversy began when Coltart made comments on an undisclosed platform, exonerating the self-proclaimed CCC Interim Secretary General of the turmoil in the opposition movement. The storm brewed when he suggested that Advocate Fadzayi Mahere and Norman Markham, two respected figures in Zimbabwean politics, had willingly left their parliamentary seats, now held by ZANU-PF. On Monday morning, Coltart stepped forward to clarify his remarks. He confessed that his words had sparked a vigorous debate, yet insisted that they were not meant as an attack on Mahere and Markham. Instead, he expressed his deep sadness and concern that these two influential figures were no longer present in what he termed as hard-won spaces. Both are amongst the finest parliamentarians in Zimbabwe, and our nation is all the poorer not having them there, Coltart expressed, emphasizing his respect for Mahere and Markham. He then proceeded to apologize unreservedly for how his comments were interpreted, stressing that he understands why they made their decision to step down. However, the apology did not extend to the real victim of his initial statement, CHAMISA. The pro-CHAMISA members did not take lightly to this, descending on Coltart with a flurry of criticism. Some labeled him a mistake, while others mournfully acknowledged the democratic movement's loss. So, we return to our opening question: can an apology truly mend the damage caused? The events of the past few days suggest that perhaps it can't entirely. While Coltart's apology to Markham and Mahere might have soothed some, the glaring omission of CHAMISA from his apology has left many unsatisfied. The implications of this saga are yet to fully unravel, but one thing is clear: words once spoken can never be entirely taken back.